Hello everybody, welcome to Ratchet and Clank 1. You know, the original Ratchet and Clank. So today, we are going to be going through...
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk.
Going through this game, and just because I love Ratchet and Clank, it's one of my favorite game series, and you know, childhood nostalgia and stuff like that, blah blah blah. These guys aren't even yarn. What is this game? Alright, so pretty much, basis of Ratchet and Clank. The main character here is Ratchet, sub-character Clank, which is pretty much,
you can interrupt help desk messages by pressing
robot that sits on your back and stuff. So you pretty much go around fighting enemies, collecting bolts, buying new weapons, upgrading those weapons, and making them fall. So I'm going to try to play as many of the Ratchet and Clank games up until whatever the newest one, which I played a lot, and it's the game that wanted me to, or made me want to play the originals again, just because of how good they are, and the quality PS3 stuff going on. I also need to get a new PS3 controller. Oh yeah, this is also the first video on my new setup, or it's not the first video on the new setup, but it's the first video using the new setup. The Rocket League video and like 2 of the videos before that were on this setup. But I haven't have a gun. I don't even have a gun. This is all ranch. And backwards camera controls. Oh, look at that. Slam, bitch. And bomb glove. Oh, I do have the bomb glove. Get bomb gloves, bitch. Alright, so pretty much, we're just going to be going through this game. Then we're going to go to Going Commando, which was actually my first Ratchet game.
You can also use it in
the one my brother played a lot, Going Commando. And I've never beaten one of these Ratchet games until, like, Tools of Destruction. That's when I beat my first Ratchet game, which is weird, because I had Ratchet 1, Going Commando, and... like, I don't know, other one. No, I beat Deadlock first. Deadlock, literally one of my favorite games ever. I played so much of Deadlock. Alright, now we're gonna go pick up our buddy Clankerino over here. Hi Clank, how's it going?
Hello, citizens of
Shrek.
My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary...
Alright, we're gonna skip that. So pretty much, trying to save time here. So pretty much, he's gonna try to destroy other planets to make his own, which is weird. He can just conquer a planet.
If you could use your ship to take me to the core.
But since he's a complete moron.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Shut the fuck up. Nope, I don't want to listen to those guys. We're gonna go to Novalis, which is technically the first world of this game. We're gonna need the pyro.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Oh, I love that guy. I've got some great bargains for you. So pretty much we need to get over there, which is at the start level, and we need to go all the way around. I don't have thingy. I can't boost jump. Oh, it's so weird. The controls for the PS4 version are just so much better. But this one actually takes more skill to play. Which I enjoy that because I can challenge mode, hard mode, the entirety of whatever the fuck that game is. Ratchet and Clank 2016 easily, as in I've done it twice. So pretty much we need to get enough money for the pyro, whatever the fuck it is. But first we need to go find the mayor or whatever his name is. Mayor. Blah blah blah. And he's gonna give us something to go see. Skipping Sparks. Thanks for blowing up the bridge, asshole. Alright. It's weird. I haven't done a game on the Elgato in a very long time. I don't even know if this will turn out properly. I mean, it should. I believe I have my settings correct. I don't even know. These knees are gonna get me. These assholes. Come on, fall down. You're not even sand sharks. Ah. I just wanna boost jump. And this motherfucker here.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning.
Shut the fuck up.
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis.
Captain Quark's a
You could tell him about
sellout.
this invasion.
Ha ha.
Ship.
What?
Gadgetron robots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to the ship. It's marked with a star.
Alright, so now we need to go see the best character ever in the game. We only get to see him once. The plumber. Hopefully I can. Yeah, I can. Alright. I believe there's only one difficulty in this game. Pretty much the quest for all the Rhino cards is what I want. Or Rhino pieces. Whatever it is in this game. I'm still questing for all the Rhino cards in 2016.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Pretty much the exact same level as in 2016. And so pretty much I know exactly what to do in this level. Just because of they decided to put the exact same level with pretty much the exact same things in the next one. Except I believe this whatever sequence is a little bit longer. Damn, I'm so not used to this. That, bomb that. There we go. Hey, we have enough for the pyro fire gun. Yeah, this area is just a little different. But that's fine. Yeah, see, yeah, this entire area is different. But my boy the plumber's the same. That's yeah, see, all this is in there. I don't understand why they did this. Alright, yeah. Now we have to go all the way over here. There's no enemies over here either. It's just like, yeah, go all the way over here. Yeah, no. You gotta go back. I'm sorry. You just gotta go back. And my boy, there he is.
And Brad
blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
All right, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports?
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this god-darn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing. Shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Hey. Yeah, he getting the fuck out of here.
Geronimo!
Did he just slide down a sewer pipe?
Yeah, he did.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Whoa! That was close! Ah!
Pipe down, I can't concentrate.
But we've been hit!
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you.
We're not gonna live that long!
Skid McMarks!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
Does he know Captain Quark? No, motherfucker!
To enter look
He's
around mode,
a
press and hold the L1 button.
There's nothing back there. I'll tell ya, there's nothing back there. Nothing makes me sadder than having nothing back there. I'll tell you that. Not enough bolts. You coulda just went down the slide. You coulda just went down. But no. He didn't go down the slide. Alright, what the fuck's... Alright, we want to get that pyro guy.
I got some great bargains.
I got some great bargains for you. Oh! Well, hello! Who's that? Who the fuck? Is that memes? Nah. It's not even memes! Get in there, Clank. We got places to go. Shit. Alright, well that's gonna be enough for this episode. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think of the video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Laters!